Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking one narrow niche that already pays. This makes every post sellable. Once chosen, create a Facebook page and immediately link a simple blog or landing page so readers can convert. Make sure your bio, CTA button, cover image, and one pinned post explain what you offer. This reduces friction. Begin posting 2 types of content: quick value posts that build trust and promotional posts that ask for an email or direct sale. You now scale by following a repeatable content funnel: value, story, offer, deliver it 3 to 5 times per week to train your audience. Once done, capture emails with a freebie and a short autoresponder sequence so you can sell without relying on organic reach. Make sure to test one paid product or one affiliate offer each month and measure response. Use comments and DMs to warm leads. That personal touch converts higher than anonymous links. You finish by optimizing and monetizing. Split test headlines, CTA, and ad targeting every 2 weeks so you learn what sells. Then scale winners with boosts and simple ad budgets. Make sure to track conversions, link clicks, opt-ins, and sales so you know your return. Aim for a 1 to 3% conversion rate as a baseline. If reach or engagement falls, repurpose high-performing posts, refresh creative, or run a small paid boost to diagnose the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.